Okay students, so we are discussing the case of Shah Banu. Shah Banu was a Muslim woman divorced from her husband. So court gave judgment in 1985, the Supreme Court gave judgment in 1985, she has to pay maintenance to her ex-husband. And this was invited and welcomed by many of the progressive Muslims. But how it can be maintenance paid by the woman, Muslim woman, that too after divorce? So this was not accepted by many other Muslims. So this was against the case. Here to change some of the changes, government has to get many changes in the reformation of the Muslims Religious Act. And here the political mobilization on this overtunes were started here. So Muslim reformations were new laws came in 1986, and also Hindus began campaign for Temple of Lord Rama. So here the sensitive situations, communalism and corruption high places. What are the high places? They took the high places of this issue of the Lord Rama in Ayodhya. You all know the issue of Babri Masjid. Many times you have been reading the newspaper, I think in news also. So actually is all the Hindus thought that the Babri Masjid, where the Ayodhya is a sensitive place, Ayodhya is the birthplace of Lord Rama. So the temple belongs to the Hindus only. But actually the Hindus thought that the temple was demolished and constructed the Babri Masjid. So originally the place belongs to the Hindus, that means Ayodhya is the birthplace of Lord Rama. So the place belongs to the Hindus. But this was demolished, the temple was demolished by the Muslims, then constructed or built the Babri Masjid. But that what happened? Oh no, so finally the issue went to the court. So here all the Hindus and these political leaders, especially the Janata Party leaders, all they started along with some of the people behind them and began the campaigning for temple, for the construction of the temple Lord Rama. So this issue, this was held in 1993. This issue was held very seriously, that road marches and many citizens of the country, many people from every state went to this Ayodhya to save the temple. And it is a controversial issue because the issue between the Hindus and Muslims, communal issue. That's why the government or the court also can't able to justify properly, because India is a secular state. Secular state means neither we can consider or give importance to any religion in India. So this is completely the court ordered to close the Babri Masjid for some days. So Babri Masjid was closed. Again this case was reopened in 1986. Again court ordered, and the request of some of the leaders, court ordered to open for regular prayers. Means the temple and the masjid both are there, can open for the regular prayers. Means both Hindus and Muslims can do the prayers. But it is not possible to do two religions at the same place. If they have the communal understanding, they can do. But yet the leaders are just motivating them to raise the communal disparities. That's why they can't able to do the prayers in one place. Again they said that it completely Fridays. After that they gave one more judgment that all the days should be open for the Hindus, again only Fridays for Muslim group prayers. This is also not accepted. And they said in 1986 judgment, court ordered that to open for regular prayers. This was not held. And here at the same time, one more, these are bribes for the Swadeshi. After around the same period, what is the issue of the Babri Masjid is going? Around the same period, some other issues also held in the country. Bribes from the Swadeshi manufacturers, means giving importance for the Videshi, means outsiders, means other country manufacturers, and that is collecting the bribes from the Swadeshi manufacturers. Here this is also one of the issue. In 1989, non-Congress parties means who are not supporting the Congress, non-Congress parties came together. They all came together and Congress turned highest number of seats. The first coalition government that formed in 1989 elections. In 1999 elections, first coalition government was formed under the Vishwanath Pratap Singh from the Janata Dal. So Vishwanath Pratap Singh from the Janata Dal, coalition government means you all know that. So So neither of the party get the full majority. So all the political parties came together and made the ruling party member as a VP Singh from the Janata Dal. This was end. So today I will stop this topic.